Morning, students of class 2. Today we are going to learn about a new chapter. Okay, the name of the chapter is Keeping Clean and Healthy. Everything around us is a part of our surroundings. So, everything, whatever is around us, it's a part of our surrounding. Maybe trees, plants, animals, human beings, all these are part of our surroundings. It includes air, water, soil, houses, parks, plants, and animals. So, whatever you can see around you, that is air, water, soil, houses, parks, plants, and animals, are all part of our surrounding. So, we must always keep our surrounding neat and clean. Okay, so we must keep our surrounding clean. Now we will learn about how to keep our surrounding clean and healthy. Unclean surrounding. Every household generates waste or garbage. So in every household there will be waste or garbage every day. Okay, maybe when we are cooking also we generate waste. Or when you are writing or doing your homework, you sharpen your pencil, that is also a waste. So every household generates waste or garbage. Surroundings become dirty when we throw garbage on the streets, roadside, park, or into water bodies. So if we just throw the dirty garbage in street or on the roadside or in the park or maybe in any water body, so it becomes very unclean. Our surrounding becomes unclean. As we can see here in the picture, the small boy is throwing waste on the road, and you can see a man, he's throwing waste on the water. So this activities makes our surroundings unclean. Roadside garbage generates various germs and makes the air dirty. So if there is any garbage on the roadside, we can see many flies or many other germs on it. So which makes us unhealthy and which makes the surrounding unclean. Garbage thrown into water bodies such as rivers, ponds, and lakes pollutes the water and makes it unfit for drinking. So if the garbage is thrown in water bodies such as rivers, ponds, or lakes, it pollutes the water bodies and it makes the water unfit for drinking. Breathing in dirty air and drinking dirty water cause several diseases. So if we breathe in unclean air or if we drink dirty water, it makes us sick. So now we will learn about how to keep our surrounding clean. So keeping surroundings clean. Clean surroundings keep us healthy. So if you want to be healthy, if we don't want to suffer from any disease, we should make sure that our surroundings are clean. Follow the steps to keep the surrounding clean. So here are some rules, some steps which we all need to follow so that our surrounding is clean. Do not litter parks, schools, and roadside. So make sure that we do not litter, we do not throw waste in parks or any school or on the roadside. Throw garbage into dustbin and keep them covered. So we should throw garbage into dustbin and also it should be covered. The dustbin should be covered so that no flies or no germs can come and sit on it and pollute the air. Do not spit on roads or walls. So spitting on the road or spitting on the walls is a very unhealthy habit. So we should not do that. Do not scribble on the walls. So scribbling on the wall or writing something on the wall is also not a good habit. So these are some of the habits which we need to follow to keep our surroundings clean. Use paper or cloth bag instead of plastic bag. So instead of using plastic bag, try to use cloth bag or paper bags. Never urinate in open. Use a washroom. So we should not urinate wherever we want, on the roadside or somewhere else. It should not be an open place. Okay, if you want to urinate, you should use a washroom. Do not allow water to stagnate. Stagnant water gives rise to mosquitoes, flies, and germs. So if you see some water is collected near your house or on the roadside, okay, it's there from a long time, try to clean it, or don't allow water to gather for a long time. Otherwise, mosquitoes or flies and various germs will come and sit on it and pollute the environment. Do not pluck flowers from parks and gardens. So plucking flowers from parks or garden is a bad habit. Do not do it. Grow more and more plants. Plants keep the air clean and make our surroundings beautiful. So try to grow more and more plants, because plants keep the air clean and also it makes our surrounding look very beautiful. Our next topic is disposing of waste properly. So where should we dump the waste? We are going to learn about it now. We must dispose of garbage regularly at proper places. So it is very important that the waste that is generated from your house should be disposed in a proper place. We should use 2 separate dustbins at home, one for kitchen waste and other for general waste. So in kitchen every day there will be a lot of waste produced. So make sure that we put it in a separate dustbin, and the other general waste which is generated every day should be put in a separate dustbin. Kitchen waste such as fruits, vegetables, leftover food can be used for compost. So whatever the vegetable peels or leftover food, okay, can be used as compost. So compost is very good for the growth of plant. So compost helps the plant to grow. General waste such as plastic bottle, wrapper and broken glasses can be recycled and used again. So we should throw plastic bottles or wrappers or any broken glass in a separate dustbin which can be recycled and which can be used again. Empty the dustbin into large containers kept in the neighborhood by the municipality. So we should make sure that the dustbins which we used at home must be emptied into the big, large containers that are kept in our neighborhood by the municipality. Garbage truck collects both type of waste separately and take it to proper disposal waste. So the garbage trucks come and collect the waste that is been put in large containers, and then it is disposed of properly in the disposal sites. Throw waste in color-coded dustbin at public places. So in public places like bus stops or hospitals, we can see color-coded dustbin. So we should be very careful when we are throwing waste. Dry waste in a separate bin and wet waste in a separate dustbin. Thank you, students. We will be continuing the rest of the topic in our next class. So make sure that you read the book, go through the book, read it once again, and underline the difficult words. Thank you all once again.